Do you know that if you don't clean your sewing machine frequently, it may cause your sewing machine some issues like cutting of thread when sewing, skipping some stitches, and many more. So in this video I'll just show you how to clean your sewing machine. The first thing you want to do is to turn off your sewing machine. So you don't do that when your sewing machine is on, then you lose this plate with your screwdriver. If you are one of those who haven't downloaded the application I always talk about, which is the Stylebit app, it's a fashion designer application for all fashion designer that allows you to know your total revenue, save measurements on your device, and even send invoice to your customers. You can find a link to download the application in the comment section. So just go to the comments, click on the link there, then you download the application. The plate loose out, then I'll do the cleaning with a toothbrush. So I'll just clean the sewing machine with the brush, taking out whatever is not supposed to be there with the toothbrush. So this is how I go about it. This sewing machine is not that dirty because I usually clean the sewing machine. So had it been it's very dirty, you would have seen lots of unwanted substances there inside the sewing machine. So for most people you're going to see lots to take out. So for some places that the toothbrush cannot clean, then I'll use this screwdriver or even go with hand needle to pick out whatever is not supposed to be there. Once you've done enough cleaning at the upside, then you're going to raise the sewing machine to clean from beneath of the sewing machine. So I'm going to raise the sewing machine to get a view from the downside of the sewing machine. Then we can clean in this area of the sewing machine. Usually there's going to be a lot of dirt there, but because I do clean mine frequently, that is why you don't get to see a lot there. But on the other side of this sewing machine, you're going to clean it with the brush as I'm doing it also, just as we did on the upper side. Then you pick whatever the brush cannot clean with a hand needle, maybe big one. You try to clean everything so that the sewing machine can work perfectly. Some sewing machine is moving slowly because of the dirt, while some is cutting thread or skipping stitches. So this is how to clean your sewing machine. You should do this frequently to avoid your machine malfunctioning. We're going to use machine oil to serve to also lubricate while cleaning the machine. So that is what I'm doing here. After I have removed all the substances, then I applied the machine oil. So that is all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow this page, and also go to the comment section, click on the link to download the Stylebit app.